What's up, family? Welcome back to another edition of So Focused Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle Channel. I'm your host, Mr. I'm So Focused. Alright, so today what we got, in my opinion, these are the two best basketball players in my lifetime. My opinion, no debating, no comments in the section saying this and that, whatever, because it is what it is, in my opinion. I don't watch basketball. I don't watch hardly any sports. So if you're gonna have a conversation about me, sports with me or whatever, you're probably gonna win it, because truly I don't care. But in my opinion, coming up, back in high school, I'm over 40 right now, so you could do the amount of years that was a long time ago when I used to watch basketball. These are two of my favorite players that played. I was scrolling through, I guess, Facebook Marketplace or Instagram, whatever, which one it was, and I saw these little statues right here. I said these would be dope for the studio, so I picked them up. They were about, I don't know, I want to say $45 to $50 each, and as you can see in the package, they were shipping from China. So these things came, took like a month, maybe a month and a half to get here. So if you're planning on ordering them, just order them, sit back and relax, and just wait for them to show up. So I just got the package today. I busted open already just to make sure that it is what it is before we got on camera. They're in there. The boxes are a little beat up. Like I said, they came from China, but the packaging on the inside is pretty good. So I didn't put nothing together yet. This is one of those, unique things that you see, well, you don't see often. You got to put them together. Me, I like the Lego sets and stuff like that. So this is pretty dope, in my opinion. Again, no debating on this, no comments, no none of that. Pretty much, just don't worry about it. You know what I'm saying? Because if, like I said, if we arguing about sports, whatever, you probably gonna win that conversation, because I don't follow that nonsense. Alright? My opinion. Alright, so let's bust this open. But before we do that, I want to say rest in peace to the boy Kobe Bryant, his family, and other families that was on that helicopter. Rest in peace. Alright, let's do this. Alright, so like I said, I bust this open already. So I'm just gonna get right into it. The boxes are a little beat up. That's the first one. It's the boy Michael Jordan. Alright. And the second one, it's the boy Allen Iverson. Just like that. Two of my favorite players coming up, watching basketball. Like I said, I started watching basketball back in high school. That was graduated high school in '96. So that's a lot of years, and I never watched it again, because I don't follow that. It's a distraction for me. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is. But we got Michael Jordan, we got Allen Iverson. All right. These shipped just straight from China. The box is just like that. It say Legend Creation right there. Chicago Bulls. Like I said, the boxes are beat up, but it's coming from China, so this bag or package must have been thrown around a million times before it got to me. Motion Masterpiece Series 2. They also had Michael Jordan, obviously, Scottie Pippen, and Dennis Rodman. Legend Creation Michael Jordan. So we got on that packaging. Then we got Legend Creation again. The boy Allen Iverson. Practice? We talk about practice? Real talk. 776s. Again, this is a Series 1. Y'all can see that. Zoom in on that a little bit. Alright, they got the boy Kobe Bryant. We got Stephon Curry, James Harden, John Wall, Russell Westbrook, LeBron James, and Carmelo Anthony, if you're interested in any of those players. Alright? If I find a link in the description, I'll put it in the bottom of this video. If I don't, if you scroll through Facebook Marketplace or you scroll through Instagram or any of that, you probably seen this before. But if not, if I find it Anybody interested, I'm going to put it in the link in the description. I'm going to open the packaging up now. Probably not going to put it all together because I just want to see, you know, exactly how tall they stand and stuff like that. But go check me out on my Instagram page. I'll give you the Instagram right now. It's Mr. I'm so focused. So again, that's Mr. I'm so focused. Go follow me over there. I'm gonna put them together. All the pictures gonna be on there of them fully together and all of that stuff. Alright? Michael Jordan, Allen Iverson. Let's do this Michael Jordan one first, alright? Alright, so that's the Michael Jordan one. Oh, the packaging came like that, so pretty much that was there. You could have just looked at it. Alright, you get the point. Alright. So this is the Michael Jordan one. I'll probably, I don't know. I'll put them up on the Instagram still, but I thought it was going to be a lot more pieces. But it is what it is. So you got Michael Jordan. Character. The arms bend, hands move, head goes side to side. You got the full Chicago Bulls uniform on with the decals and everything in it. Jordan on the back, classic armband. Got the Jordans on, as you can see. Again, I forget which number Jordans those are. You sneakerheads, I guess y'all could tell me straight off the top. Y'all know those joints like right off the back. Alright. Let me see if I can zoom in a little bit on that. That face looks pretty good. Alright. It stands up. Hands. Alright. Let me show you what comes in the packaging. This is if you want to, make it custom to your own. So they got different hands. That one says the #1 sign, Chicago Bulls pin. I'm gonna put it together later anyway. So I said arguably, well, not arguably, because I'm not arguing with none of y'all. These are two of my favorite players ever in basketball. So they got a magnet right here. This is to like make them stand up. This is like the this goes like this. Well, actually it goes like that. And then you display them. So like I said, I bought these for the studio. So, sorry, I didn't know if you already saw that, but this is like the a display. So you put that like that. And then it, some way, there's a magnet back here. And the magnet sticks onto his back. It's a heavy magnet too. And then you just post them up. You stand them up like that. And you display it. I bought them for the studio. I thought it would be a little dope little piece to add to the studio. You get the Michael Jordan, the Chicago Bulls sticker. Get some instructions. The basketball, Spalding, and I got a magnet in it too. So the magnet right there, you put that in his hand, and it sticks to his hand. Look at that. That's dope. That's a nice little feature, man. The magnet fits right in his hand, because the hands, they got magnets on them. You can see it right there. Right there, you can see the magnet, and you put it in any hand you want, and he hold a basketball, and then you just post them up. And it'll be standing like this on top of your, your stand or whatever. That's dope, man. Shit like this you don't see on, you don't see often. Alright? That's what we bring in here on the SOFOCUSED Marketing and Promotions Tech and Lifestyle channel. Stuff that you don't see too often. What I just noticed is these hands, if you wanted to change them, you could put them in the other, on the other arm. But these don't have magnets in them. Only the two that came on him has the magnets. Alright? Then you got a oh, that's not a pin. That's like a, I guess you could put that, post that up right next to him in one of the holes over here, like that. When I put it together, they're gonna be on the they're gonna be on my on the Mr. I'm So Focused at Instagram. So you can go check them out over there. So that's the Michael Jordan one. All right, let's get into the Allen Iverson one. So this is the Allen Iverson one. Again, well, we'll see like how we did, you know. That's the opening of it. Alright. Take it out, package it real quick. It's probably going to be the same exact thing like the Michael Jordan one. Same details. He got the Sixers jersey on. The classic armbands that he always wore. The headband that he always wore. Face. Socks. Got the Allen Iversons on. Forget which brand those was. Back then when I was a sneakerhead, I really knew all of those, but right now I don't. Tattoos. He got the tattoos. This one comes with the medal in the hands also for the basketball. Legs move, arms move, head moves, same thing. So this one comes with a, oh, the other one came with a longer pole also. That's to stand it up. Comes with the hands, the basketball, the 76ers logo, the magnet for the back, and you know, to stand them up, and the stickers. Alright, thank you for watching. Like I say at the end of every video, trust God, love family, and stay focused. Until the next video, stay focused, y'all. Have a good one.